In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use collaborative board sharing with guests in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite external collaborators and make a board shareable so they can contribute safely and efficiently. Start by opening your Monday.com home. From there, head to Workspaces to locate the area where your board lives and then open the specific board you want to collaborate on. Once you're inside the board, grab the board link using the copy link option. Having this link ready is helpful for reference and quick access as you work through the setup. Next, invite the people you want to collaborate with. Click the invite button at the top of the board. You can begin by typing a teammate's name or an email address. If the person isn't already part of your account, choose the option to invite a new member by email. Enter their email carefully to make sure the invite goes to the right person, and then click invite to send it. When you've finished adding invitees, close the invite window to return to the board. Now make sure the board is configured so guests can actually access it. Open the three-dot menu at the top right of the board. Hover over Settings, then hover over Change Board Type. Select Change to Shareable. At this point, you'll see a prompt asking how you want to handle existing items. Choose the option that matches your security needs. For example, whether items should be included for your guests or limited to what you plan to share. When you're ready, confirm by selecting Change Board to Shareable. A couple of tips as you do this. Guests in Monday.com are external collaborators who only see the specific shareable boards you grant them access to. They do not get visibility into your entire account. If someone needs full internal access, add them as a member instead of a guest. Also, depending on your plan and permissions, only board owners or admins can change a board's type. So if you don't see the shareable option, check your role or ask an admin. Finally, if a guest can't access the board after receiving an invite, verify that the board is set to shareable and that the email address was entered correctly. That's it. You opened your board, prepared the link, invited collaborators, and converted the board to shareable so guests can work with you securely. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough as you set up your next guest collaboration.